Infinity Ahzee, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the student. Kids World. It's time to move up. Get smart. Learn English. Get a lifestyle.
Hello Tasim, what are you doing now?
I am reading an article about importance of learning English.
Actually, English is an essential in our every walk of life.
It's an international language. It's essential for higher education. All the books on higher education of every branch of knowledge are written in English.
It makes a man to get a good job and earn more money.
It's the official or semi-official language in more than 60 countries and of many international organizations. So, to maintain daily official correspondence, English is a must.
Right you are, but importance of learning English cannot be described in a word.
So, we all of us must learn English.
Thanks for your advice.
Welcome. Bye.